Okay, today we're doing a presentation on Atlas Copco MT6020 underground truck. We've fitted a Rencool BCA unit, electric drive units. The idea of this unit is as soon as the park brake is applied, the truck will shut down after 3 minutes and the electric aircon unit will take over, saving fuel and emissions. Okay, we're just going to start the truck. At the moment the Rencool system is turned off, so the truck's just running off the belt driven compressor on the engine. We're just going to turn the Rencool system on and engage the park brake. It's the system on, and as soon as we engage the park brake, the warning light, orange warning light's active to say that the truck shutdown timer has been activated. The truck will now shut down in 3 minutes and the electric air conditioning system will take over. As soon as the truck shuts down, the warning light will turn green, telling us that the Rencool BCA unit is engaged. Cooling the cab with the engine switched off. The reason why we've got the timer set at 3 minutes is to prevent hot stops. Operator shutting the engine shutting down while the engine's still hot. Okay, the truck's just shut down. The lights turn green to tell us that the Rencool electric air conditioning unit is active. I'm just going to go for a walk around the truck. Okay, this is the BCA unit, electric drive unit. As you can hear it operating there on the back of the truck. That will run for as long as the operator needs. Just going to start the truck back up. The truck's running now, so it'll be back again running off the belt driven compressor until the park brake is engaged again.